Introducing the LIUP Pods LP1, night-glowing quicksand earbuds that light up your style. With Bluetooth 5.4, Hi-Fi 13.4mm drivers, and AI noise reduction, they shine bright and sound bold. Look at this mini piano desk calendar. A tiny piano you can actually play. It's both a weekly calendar and a 15-key piano with 52 song cards, USB charging, and even a hand crank to flip weeks. Cute, musical, and functional. The perfect desk toy for music lovers. Say goodbye to blind ear cleaning with the Bebird Earsight Plus Smart Visual Ear Cleaner. A new era of home ear care technology. It features a 10-megapixel HD camera and 6-axis gyroscope, letting you see inside your ear in real time for safe, precise cleaning. Its curved ergonomic design and soft FDA-grade silicone tips make it gentle for everyone, from kids to adults. With camera-guided tweezers, 360-degree cleaning heads, and a wireless app connection, it's cleaner, safer, and smarter than cotton swabs. Compact, rechargeable, and travel-ready, this ear care essential makes professional results possible right at home.